Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining me today. My name's Rover, and this is going to be my first vlog. So I figure I'll give you a tour of the farm just so y'all can kind of see what I do. And I'd like to apologize in advance for any bad audio. I do not have an external mic yet on my GoPro, so it's super windy today, so I apologize for that in advance. So yeah, here we go. So my farm is called TKG Farm. We have chickens and goats, but first I want to show you the chicken farm part. So let's go down there real quick. So there's two chicken houses, and we're contracted through a company called Avogen. And here's the first house, and there's second house. Well, in this house right here, it's mainly used for eggs for production purposes, and Avogen will take the eggs that we produce for them, grow them into chickens, and they'll make them into food product for Tyson, Haagen-Dazs, Progressive soups, all sorts of people. The peak of the season, we're putting out about 50,000 eggs a week. So that's a lot of omelets, people. Let me tell you, it is a lot of work, but it is very, very simple. There's two conveyors that run down each house. Well, two lines, 4 conveyors, and they run down the whole house. About 3,500 hen boxes that run down each house, and they lay them in the hen box, and then they come down the conveyor, and then we collect them. So as we collect the eggs, we categorize them into 3 groups. There's 1, 2, and 3. 1 being a clean, perfect egg that weighs in between 50 and roughly 74 grams. All the unusable eggs that we get, like if they're too heavy or way too dirty, we separate those from the good eggs, and they get made into animal food product like dog food or animal protein, stuff like that. There's some eggs that weigh roughly over 75 grams and up. We call them double yolk, some are triple, and they're pretty big. Some get to roughly the size of, I would say, a weirdly shaped baseball or a small softball. And I don't know what they do with those. But anyway, here's the back side of the farm. Those are the cooling jets. You see them, those big fans? What those things do is they regulate the temperature of the house, and they keep enough air pressure in the house for the chickens to be able to live on. So yeah, it kind of stinks back here. That's all right. Down there in the middle of the houses, right there, that's our incinerator. And because we have so many chickens, unfortunately, there's some that die a day. And so we have to burn them every day to get rid of them. So that's where we do that. And every couple of days, we got to clean it out and dump the ashes. So oh yeah, earlier as I was saying, this is house 1. That's what we mainly use for food product chickens. And house 2 right there, those eggs in there, they get used to breed for male lines to fertilize the females. So they're 2 different breeds of chickens. You know, I never really knew that there was different kinds of chickens. Never really thought about it until I started working here. See him back there, that big mountain back there? That big mountain back there is called Spanish Peaks. It is really fun to explore. Maybe in the future I will take Bolt up there and we'll do some exploring. Whenever I was a kid, me and my brother and sometimes my friends would go up there. There's a lot of cliffs and rattlesnakes and stuff. me and my brother-in-law actually caught a rattlesnake up there, skinned it and cooked it. It was really cool. So hopefully this summer I'll get to do that again. It's really fun. So I moved out here whenever I was about 4 or 5 years old. My mom married one of my dads, and I say dads because I have my biological dad, and then I have my stepdad, but I claim him as my dad because he's pretty much raised me my whole life. So yeah, she married him. We moved out here from Sapulpa, and I've lived out here ever since until I graduated high school and I moved into town. But I think it's amazing that they gave me the opportunity to come out here and work for them and be a part of this awesome business that they got going. So yeah, shout out to you, Mom and Dad. I love it out here. Ah, almost went off the edge there, not paying attention. So my mom ain't home from work yet, and I want to help her feed the goats. So I guess for now we can go around in the pasture or something. Should be fun, unless I wreck and die, because I got street tires. But let's go. So my parents have a total of, I think, 75 acres of land, and my whole life they've had goats pretty much. There was a time where they tried to do cows and pigs, but that really didn't work out as good as they wanted it to. So they just have the goats, which you can see a few of them out there. Hi, puppies! That's Bonnie and Clyde. They're protection dogs, they're watchdogs. They are so sweet. Unless they don't know you, then they'll attack the crap out of you. Gotta give them some loving. Hi, buddy. So whenever the goats start peaking, I think they have about 40, well, they have 38 females and 2 males. So in, I think, May or so, when they all start having babies, we should have roughly 40 to 100 babies, depending on how many each of them have. Let me tell you right now, goats suck. They get their heads stuck all the time in those little squares, if you can see them. So yeah, that sucks. But as far as taking care of them, they're fairly easy to manage. So yeah, moving on. Here's one of the ponds. This was a man-made pond that got dug for us back when they were trying to build a bridge in this area. So I'm hoping I don't sink, because we're still recovering from that snowstorm we had last week. So I don't know how muddy it is out here, but we're going to have some fun. Chicken house. So in the summertime, there's another farm close to us. It's the Pinkston farm, I believe. They pretty much run Twin Hills. Well, in the summer, they cut our hay for us, and my parents sell the hay to them. So that's kind of cool. Let's go over here. I have a pretty cool memory right there. One time, me and my wife, this was years ago when we first got together, so roughly in like 2014 or so, and we were living with my mom. We were down here hanging out, walking around, and we had our dog with us, and you know, we're just walking through here, And the dog started kind of going crazy, and we looked down, and there was like a huge snake right by our foot. It scared the crap out of me. I don't mind snakes if I can see them, but whenever I can't see them, that's when they get kind of scary. Especially if you don't know what's out here. Living out here, we got copperheads and rattlesnakes, all sorts of crap that can hurt you. So yeah, cool little memory. Whenever me and my brother were younger, we used to always come down here and play. There's a pond on the other side of all them trees. If I can get to it, I'll show y'all. But there was all sorts of wildlife down here at one time. Turtles and beavers and stuff. Ooh, what's over here? Do I want to do it? Not really, but I'll do it. Oh gosh. We get coyotes out here pretty bad too. So, you know, I see them all the time. You can hear them howling away. I gotta fix my pants. Gromin through the woods. Never been back here in a while. Whew, I do not want to go through that. That is a big trench. Looks like something comes back here a lot. Like someone drives through here or something. I know my parents don't. But it looks like there's a little trail. I'm going to turn around so I don't have to go through that. It's like hawk feathers or something right there. So I'm going to go back the way I came so I don't get too stuck in the thick of all this crap. I guess I can drive through here for a minute. So the reason why I'm hanging out here today is my parents are throwing me a birthday dinner. They're going to cook me some barbecue and stuff. My birthday was last week. I know I have awesome parents. I'm 28 years old and they still love me. You know, put up with my shenanigans and support me in every way they can, and it's pretty awesome. Yep, not going that way either. Big old trench. Let's turn back around. So yeah, right now I'm waiting on my wife and my kids to get out here. I've been with my wife since 2013. And we have 3 kids, so, you know, it's really cool. High school sweetheart type deal. Oh gosh. Come on, boat, let's go. All right, made it. Sure, I didn't lose my phone. The grass was more cut down, I would bolt through here real quick. I want to hit a trench and flip over. So there's the other pond. It's pretty. Looks like there's a big crane over there. Let's see if we can get closer. Oh, oh. Bumpy! Ugh. Just lost him. I know there's a spot that goes through them trees somewhere around here. This ain't it. Oh my gosh, there's thorns everywhere. It's a bad idea. Where the heck is that spot? I'm about to just say, screw it, give up. It's pretty trenchy through there. anyway, I'm really new to this vlogging thing, so you know, if there's anything that you can tell me that I should do better or try differently, that'd be great. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm working on getting an external mic for my GoPro. Ow, that really hurt. But yeah, I'm working on getting a mic for my GoPro, so that way the quality is better and I can vlog more than just going slow. So yeah, I don't really want to go back there. I don't want to get my tire get stuck or something. Oh, here we go. Finally. It's not that bad. Let's just creep through it. Ah! That was squishier than I thought. So yeah, all this land back here is theirs too, up to that fence. So yeah, it's pretty awesome out here. I would love to have a bigger dirt bike and just rip through these woods and stuff, but you know, I have a family and I got real world problems. I can't be spending my money willy-nilly on stuff like that. Not yet anyway. So I'm gonna head back up towards the house, see my mom's home, and we'll go feed some goats. Say hi to her. Gotta get back through this stuff. Some pretty looking grass. Gotta be more prepared this time. Woo! Almost lost it. Got my shoes soaked. There's so much grass out here. My legs are itchy. Oh, this is so fun. I haven't been able to do this in a long time. There's the doggies, Bonnie and Clyde. What's up? You about to feed the goats? All right. Whew. That was fun. I was just driving around in the woods and stuff, talking to myself.
Got that one over there. Needs to come back over here.
The little one over there?
Yep.
Needs to come in this little spot? Oh, great. All right.
I'm gonna go turn the water on. I'll be right back.
Okay. Ugh. All right, baby goat. Need to get you back over there with your little friends. So come here. It is so hard to catch these things. See, they just run in circles. Here we go. Ah! No! It's gonna be funny when I fall. We can go. We can go. Okay. Well, I got the goat back over there.
Do what?
I said, finally got that goat back over there.
Did Todd tell you we had one out there aboard a baby?
Yeah, he told me that one passed away the other day, so kind of sucks.
Gotta feed the cow, one whole bucket, and then these over here, probably half.
Okay, I'll get the full bucket.
That's good, she's feeling better.
Oh, my bad. So how's your day at work? Long day. Where's this going? The cow's name's Prancer?
No, the goat.
Oh.
That's stuck.
Yeah, I see that. You saw this in the black bin?
Yeah, right by the goat.
That's probably why she was sticking her head through. Oh, what the heck? Oh, here we go. Alright. So, after I feed this cow, I gotta get that goat unstuck right there. And there's that. Now, give me your face. Okay. Getting got stuck in a worse spot. It's this bar's in the way. Alright, let's try again. What I have to do is move this. And lift up like this. This is the best part about having goats right here. Yeah, she's it's because this back bar behind it, it's preventing her from really being able to put her head down. Just don't want to hurt her too bad. There's one. Oh, there we go, thank goodness. Be free, little goat.
Jeez, she gets hung up all the time. She don't always have the headdress on, but she can turn it off. He moved his trough under his shelter the other day. Looking for it, I go, heck did Todd put that thing? I thought Todd put it somewhere.
Uh-huh.
It was over there. So I went to get it and I was pulling it and I went, nope, nope, nope. I turned around and started dragging it because I couldn't see him. And he's mean.
Yeah, he looks mean. Those little stubby horns.
He's not very nice. Kind of rambunctious.
Yeah. Dog food. Very pregnant. Well, you want me to help you move her?
No, because this is where I want to move her.
Uh-huh.
I don't have a shelter.
Oh, I see. What up, dogs? Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Alright. They still got a little food in there. A little bit. You are so big, you're gonna have to get out of the way. There y'all go. There you go, babies. Oh, you're a cutie. Get here. What happened to this? You run over the tractor?
With the truck.
Oh.
But yeah, I did that. Yes, I did it.
Oh well, accidents happen.
Todd was standing there, and I was looking at him. He goes, "Come on!" He told me to come on.
You told me to.
He goes, "Did you not see it there?" I said, "Yeah, I saw it over the big old hood of this truck. Yes, I saw it."
Yeah, I saw it, so I thought I'd try to run it over.
If I would have seen it, I would have hit it.
Alright, so is that it?
And then wood pellets are in the back seat of the car, and you can drop backpack.
The wood pallets?
Pellets.
Oh, pellets. Oh, okay.
That's it. That's all I need.
That right there is my dog Hank. I've had him since I was about 9 or 10 years old. So he's probably about 20 now. Alright, now that all the chores are done, ride around a little bit more. When my wife gets out here, she tells me I can't ride no more. Baby Willie in the gravel. Thank you for joining me today on my very first vlog. If you'd like to see more content like you did today, just give me a subscribe. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Also, if you want to add me on Instagram, my handle is Rover Reynolds, just like my YouTube. Also, if you can, check out Gromin. He has a YouTube page, and he has a lot of how-to videos. He also has a website, grombeardo.com or something like that. And he has a lot of Grom parts. Like I got these right here from him. I have an install video if you want to check it out. These rear set savers. And his YouTube has a lot of how-to. So, yeah, shout out to him. Lastly, if you have any prayer requests, throw them in the comments. If you have a unmentionable prayer request, or even some specific, just throw it in there. And I'll give a shout out to Jesus for you. And I'll keep you in my thoughts and in my prayers. And again, thank you so much for checking out this video. It really means a lot to me. And there's more to come. So thank you so much.